To create your class notebook, first of all, when you're Office 365, click on Class Notebook, not the OneNote. Select Create a Class Notebook. You need to give it a name. Select Next. Select Next. Here you have the option of inviting another teacher. You can do this at this stage, or you can wait, and you can always do it later. Select Next. Here is where you add your students' names. I like to leave this part for now. I personally like to set up my class OneNote myself first, and then invite my students after. Here is the default setting. So here the default setting is a handouts, class note, homework and quizzes section will be added to your class OneNote. Any of these you can delete by deselecting the tick. You can add your own sections by selecting Add More. For example, Term 1 and Term 2. Select Next. Then you have the option to view what the teacher's notebook will look like and the student's notebook. So here you can see with the student's notebook they have handouts, class notes, homework, Term 1 and Term 2. You can always go back and edit and change it until you're happy. So if I decided I did want to add quizzes, select Next, and you can see quizzes appears there. Select Create. Now here you have a few options. You can download a class notebook add-in, okay, which allows you to work from your desktop, or you can continue editing online. So if I've set it up, want to continue online, I can open in OneNote Online. Now this is the standard. You have the welcome. Here it gives information on how to use OneNote. If you want to remove all of those, you can simply delete them. Or you have the option of deleting the welcome as a whole category along the side if students are familiar with it. You have the collaboration space, and again it comes with information. You can just delete that if you like, or leave it there. Then you have the content library. The next thing you can do is to add students. I'm going to add a student. Then, when you open your class OneNote, your student will appear on the side. When you click on the student's name, here you can see the folders which we set up before. Handouts, class notes, quizzes, homework, Term 1 and Term 2. These can easily be click, hold and drag to change the order, and the ones which they use most often will appear at the top, so students can change them around. You will be when students upload and work on the pages, you will be able to view it here.